Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers DTC code B0013-2B, specifically addressing the issue of a short to another wire harness in the front passenger's knee airbag inflator of the Honda Accord 2023 and later models. The SRS, Supplemental Restraint System, is crucial for passenger safety, especially during a collision. Understanding the components involved, their roles, and their locations is essential for effective troubleshooting. The front passenger's knee airbag inflator is located in the compartment beneath the dashboard on the passenger side. The wiring harness connecting the airbag inflator to the SRS unit can be a culprit for this DTC due to potential shorts or other failures. Proper diagnostics is necessary to ensure airbag functionality and overall vehicle safety. The error B0013-2B indicates a malfunction within the supplemental restraint system, which includes critical components required for deploying the airbag in the event of a collision. The primary component affected is the front passenger's knee airbag inflator. This device is integral in protecting the knees and lower body of the passenger during an accident. The SRS unit interprets signals from various sensors and controls the deployment of airbags. The wiring system, including multiple power supply and ground circuits, connects the airbag inflator to the SRS unit. Any short circuit in these wires, especially in the dashboard wire harness, can trigger this error code, indicating that careful inspection of these components is essential. This involves line checks for shorts or breaks, as these could compromise the airbag deployment and safety during an accident. Properly understanding the layouts and connections of these components will aid significantly during diagnostics. The DTC B0013-2B can arise from several possible causes that need consideration during troubleshooting. The most common issue is a short circuit within the wiring harness that connects different airbag inflators to the SRS unit. This could happen due to wear, insulation breakdown, or accidental pinching of the wire harness. Another potential cause is an internal failure of the SRS unit itself. If internal components of the SRS unit have become faulty, it can misinterpret normal voltage as an anomaly. Additionally, if the vehicle has been in a collision, it's critical to verify that all necessary replacements have been made, ensuring they conform to specifications. An incorrect installation of SRS components might also result in this diagnostic trouble code, making it imperative to ensure quality control during repairs and service. When DTC B0013-2B is triggered, the vehicle exhibits certain symptoms that can alert the driver to potential issues with the SRS system. A prominent sign is the illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard, indicating the SRS system has detected an anomaly. This is a crucial warning, as it suggests that the airbag system may not function correctly in the event of an accident, posing a safety risk. Another sign may be a malfunction within the SRS system itself, which can manifest as unexpected behavior or system errors upon ignition. If the system operates incorrectly, some safety features using the SRS may not engage, prompting a need for immediate repair and diagnostics. Drivers must pay close attention to these warnings and seek professional assistance to maintain vehicle safety. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC B0013-2B involves checking for any stored DTC codes in the SRS system. Utilize a suitable diagnostic tool to read the codes and determine if B0013-2B is the sole code present, or if there are accompanying DTCs, such as B0001-2B or B0002-2B, which could provide additional context. Documenting any other codes is essential, as they may point to broader systemic issues affecting the SRS functionality. If B0013-2B is the only code indicated, it suggests that the dashboard wire harness likely needs a thorough inspection. If multiple codes are present, it warrants a comprehensive diagnostic approach to address all identified issues systematically. This may require cross-verification with wiring diagrams and SRS specifications. After confirming DTC B0013-2B, the next step involves inspecting the dashboard wire harness. Begin by visually examining the harness for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires, chafing, or exposure. Pay close attention to any areas where the harness may be pinched or in close proximity to other components, as these conditions can lead to shorts. Finding visible damage would necessitate a repair or replacement of the affected wiring. Once visual inspection is complete, proceed with electrical testing, employing a multimeter to check for continuity and shorts between wires. This ensures that all connections meet the SRS operational criteria and that no shorts exist that could trigger B0013-2B. Proper diagnostics at this stage is crucial for ensuring the functionality of the SRS system. The final step in troubleshooting DTC B0013-2B focuses on the SRS unit itself. If no faults are found in the wiring harness, the next logical step is to diagnose the SRS unit's functionality. Testing includes confirming that the unit processes inputs correctly and triggers the desired outputs, particularly concerning airbag deployment. After inspecting or replacing any components, it's essential to clear DTC codes from the vehicle's memory and conduct a retest to ensure that the system is operating normally without setting new codes. This final verification ensures all adjustments and repairs have restored proper function to the SRS, reaffirming the safety systems are ready to deploy in the event of a collision. Following the completion of the troubleshooting and repair process for DTC B0013-2B, it is vital to perform final verification checks. Verify that the airbag system functions correctly by engaging and monitoring the SRS system from the vehicle's diagnostic tool. It's essential to recheck for any DTC codes to ensure no issues persist. All safety features related to the SRS, including the airbag deployment and tensioning systems, must operate as specified. This confirmation step ensures that the SRS system is operational before deeming the vehicle safe for the road. Only after successfully passing this verification should the vehicle be returned to the owner, reinforcing peace of mind concerning passenger safety. To prevent issues like DTC B0013-2B from recurring, adopt regular preventive maintenance practices concerning the vehicle's SRS and wiring systems. Schedule inspections for the wire harness, ensuring that any signs of wear or damage are addressed before they lead to faults. Also, consistently check all SRS components during routine maintenance. This aids in detecting early signs of malfunction. For repairs, always use original equipment manufacturer (OEM) parts, as these meet the specifications necessary for the system's integrity. Proper maintenance ensures the durability of essential safety features, providing reliable protection for vehicle occupants. In summary, DTC B0013-2B highlights potential wiring issues within the front passenger's knee airbag inflator circuit. A thorough inspection and testing of the dashboard wire harness and SRS unit are critical in resolving this error. Each step of the troubleshooting process is designed to isolate and address specific faults, ensuring the vehicle's safety systems operate as intended. The integrity of the SRS is paramount, as it directly affects passenger safety during collisions. Additionally, regular maintenance and adherence to proper repair practices will mitigate the risk of similar issues in the future, thereby maintaining optimal vehicle performance and safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.